Oh, hi everyone. This is Isaiah, and we'll be looking at WAEC Mathematics question 2024. So, here we're looking at question 6, which says given x plus 2, 4x plus 3, and 7x plus 24 are the consecutive term of a GP. Given that x plus 2, let's write x plus 2. So we have x plus 2, then we also have 4x plus 3, and at the same time we have 7x plus 24. So they are the consecutive term of a GP. So now what they are trying to do with this question is that they are not telling us whether these terms are the first term, second term, third term. All they just inform us was that these terms are the consecutive terms of a GP. So definitely what we know is that, for a GP, if the first term is A, the second term is AR, third term is AR raised to power 2, let's just continue like that until AR raised to power n. So what we know is that for everything consecutive like this, there is something always equal about them. When you say AR over A, you get R. And when you also say AR squared over AR, so you also get R. That shows that the ratio of this and this and this is the same thing as the ratio of this and this. So what we just need to do now is to say, okay, since that is the case, we can say the ratio of 4x plus 3 all over x plus 2 will be the same ratio as 7x plus 24 all over 4x plus 3. So that's just the case we're trying to establish there. So in this case, we're going to see that we can do a kind of cross multiplication here, so that we have 4x plus 3 all into bracket 4x plus 3. Then at this side we have x plus 2 all into bracket 7x plus 24. So just to be sure, let's look at the question once again. So in the question we have x plus 2, 4x plus 3, and 7x plus 24. So let's do multiplication. We use this to multiply all of this. 4x times 4x, we have 16x squared. 16x squared. 4x times 3 will give us 12x, and 3 now in this case multiplied by 3 times 4 will also give us 12x, and 3 times 3 will give us 9. So here now we have 16x squared plus 24x plus 9. So for this side we say x multiply all of this. So we have 7x squared, x multiply 24, that's 24x, then 2 multiply 7, that's 14x, then 2 multiplied by 24, that's 48. So in this case now we have 7x squared, and we are adding it 24 and 14 is going to give us 38x. Then here we have our 48. So in this case now that we have this, we can easily try and do what I call collecting the like terms. So we bring the ones 16x squared, we bring 7x squared beside it by bringing it inside. We also have 24x, we bring 38x beside it, and we also have 9, and we bring 48 beside it, all equal to 0. So 16 minus x squared is giving us 8x squared, and 24 minus this will give us minus 12x. Then 9 minus 48 will also give us, that's roughly 39 if I'm not mistaken. That's minus 39. So this is the case that we have here. So now, for us to get x, we've seen that led us to more of a quadratic equation. So at this point, you can refer to our video on quadratic equation so that you get to know the method that you can easily use while doing your quadratic. So in this case now, we want to adopt the quadratic equation. We would have done factorization, but it might take our time due to the nature of the recording of this video. So let's go for quadratic. The formula, we have x, which is minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, this is our b, this is our a, and this is our c. So we're really going to be inputting these values in now so that we can know the nature of what we're doing. So now, yes, let's put in, that will be that's minus 12 plus or minus our b squared will be minus 12 squared, then minus 4a, which is 8, then our c is minus 39. So everything all over 2 multiplied by 8. So here we have a positive 12, then plus or minus, if we do our 12 squared, we'll be having 144, then plus 4 times 8 is 32, then 32 times 39, we have 1248 all over 16. So in this case, we try to add up 1248 and 144. So we have 1392. So we don't know whether 1392 is a perfect square until we try to check it. Let's check the square root of 1392. So we have roughly 37, or approximately, let's say 37. So we have this. So we have roughly 37, and in this case we have 12 plus or minus 37 all over 16. Now in this case, I think what we can easily do to make our work more easier and faster is that we are going to just look at the option that will give us a positive answer. The option that will give us a positive answer. Because if we don't look at that, it should not be easy for us to really solve a lot of things. So the options that will give us a positive answer. So we have 12 plus or minus 37. Definitely the minus option will not give us a positive answer. So let's do something that is related to addition. So 12 plus 37, then all divided by 16. So here we're going to be having 12 plus 17. That's okay. 12 plus 37. 12 plus 37. Well, 49. Then divided by 16. That's roughly 3. So if that is roughly 3, we have, okay, let me do this so that we can do it together. That's 49 all over 16, just approximately 3. Don't mind the board. So that shows that our x is equals to 3, which is the first question that we are asked to solve in this question. So now that our x is 3, it is more easier now to try and evaluate for our r. Don't forget, r was supposed to be the ratio how was supposed to be the ratio of this and this. So that is the ratio of this and this. So we can just go directly and say, okay, let's put x. Since x is equals to 3, we're going to pick one of our equation there and do the ratio. So let me pick this first one. So we say 4 into bracket 3 plus 3 all over 3 plus 2. So that is 7 plus 3 all over 5, which is 10 all over 5. Then our common ratio will be 3. So that is the result or the answer for question number 6. Thank you.